Okay guys, I thought I would take some time to really just kind of show you how I'm doing these videos. This is day 11 of doing my videos, and I'm really impressed with how much reaction I've been getting, not only on social media, but I'm starting to put them up on YouTube too, so I'll see how that plays out and let you know. But I wanted to kind of just show you that I've got a couple different angles running here, and I wanted to kind of show you the types of equipment that I'm using. I'm using a lavalier mic that I found on Amazon for like 20 bucks to improve the sound quality. It goes right into my iPhone. And then I'm also utilizing a little stand that I got on Amazon too that has this light that can light things up pretty quick, and it can obviously go through, you can adjust it at different levels. You can change the brightness. If you want to have like kind of a daylight, if you want to have something a little bit warmer, you can do different things like that. It's a USB, so it plugs in really easily. I'm just using my iPhone and using the standard app on that, and then I'm taking it into Camtasia to do some editing, but I've also taken it into iMovie to edit it as well. So it's pretty simple. I think the biggest thing for me has just been getting over this idea of talking in front of the camera and doing a video. Each of these videos seems to be taking me about 15 minutes to 30 minutes to kind of go from start to finish. I spend some time in the morning just kind of thinking about it, but if I'm honest, I probably need to do an editorial calendar to just kind of think it through a little bit more. So just wanted to kind of give you a little bit of the behind the scenes. In the link above, you'll see a link to the resources on my webpage that kind of show you how to buy some of this equipment. But if you need anything else, or if you just want to have some questions about it, let me know. I really would encourage you to kind of think about using more video in your education marketing. It's part of the content marketing with that. So hope you have a great day. Hope this has been helpful.